Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to show you this website called Edabit, and I've been using it and it's really good. So since over here at edabit.com, a better way to learn programming, okay? The fastest way to learn, the easiest way to learn, the most addictive way to learn. And then over here we have loads of languages that they use. So C Sharp, C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Ruby, Swift, there's a lot. Um, and then we have over 10,000 challenges, 6 million solutions, and 20,000 resources. So I'll just sign in. Um, and then I'm logged in. As you can see, I've already been doing this for a bit of time. 18,977 experience points so far, but yeah. I've got the pro version. And I joined a year ago. I'm on level 23, and the longest I've been on it, it was 8 days in a row, and that was ages ago. Actually, so eat a bit, and then we'll press. So we have tutorials here. JavaScript. You see, you have interactive tutorial. That's good. Oh, there we go. See, this is the bit that's interactive. So you actually type in the things and then check it, and it will give you a yes or no answer. There we go. So that's really nice because you can do lots of trial and error. So that's good. That's really for beginners. And then you also have Python one as well. We have a practice session, and then we have when you shuffle it. So I'm just gonna go challenges. I'm gonna hide the ones that I've completed. So we have JavaScript, all the languages that I showed earlier. We have very easy all the way to expert. We have tags, so let's say, and then we have lots of these. So let me click this one, let's say, and then we have to fix this. So I'll see you when I finish that. Okay, so I fixed it. I think this should be it. So let's check that. It was correct. So we passed it. So we submit the final answer, and then we get more experience points. So rate the clarity. I'll just go for 5. It was a really easy one. And then we'll go next challenge. We could also view other people's solutions. So now I'll show you the actual challenges, what they're like. So first we have the instructions. So you can see who published them and which language. Some of them are translated into C++, PHP, Python, JavaScript, and in Ruby. You could also add your own translation for it into a different language. So yeah, that instructions, and then we have the code section, which is over here. So there, and then we have resources. So that's good actually. So that you don't need to go on Google and you don't need to search hours and hours just to find the one thing. So they've actually done it for you. They've actually put it on for you, which is really good. You also have solutions. And if you want to unlock solutions, you would have to sacrifice some experience points. So let's unlock that. And then you see we have all other people's solutions, so you can copy them to your tab. You could do it for the most recent, the shortest code, or with the most votes. So the one with the most vote is probably the most efficient way to do it. So you check that, it will be correct. Of course, you don't earn experience points, so you won't submit the final answer because you didn't do that answer. And then you also have comments, which is over here. So it's not that active, but at least you know that there are people here that are actually asking questions. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna continue, and then we have that. So now we can go to the practice session. So we can actually, this is so that you can earn more experience points by doing the challenges that you've already done before. So let's just go very easy, and then we might go bug fixes or something. And then we'll start the practice session. Okay, so it's got medium. Okay, so I've probably done a lot of the challenges. Let's see. Let's do some there. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna fix this code. So I'll see you when I get that all done. This is what the practice session would look like. You have the instructions, and I'm 80% through. You have this guy on the right. I'm not sure what he actually is. You can skip the challenge if you need to, but let's check that. There's animation there, and now and I got an extra 34 experience points so far. So we continue, and then this screen pops up. We can also shuffle, so let's go solved. Very easy. I don't know. Stop. And then we can go very easy and then shuffle that. Okay, and then we'll edit this code. So if less than, oops, sorry, if a, so okay, so if a plus b is equal to, yeah, so less than 100, then return true, else return false. So we'll check that because I've already done it, so it's grey, and then it's done. So continue. And so that's it for Edabit. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.